Hello guys, in this video let us check out the DunkDeer A75 magnetic switch keyboard. So you can see here it's written 75% layout magnetic switch keyboard, the model number and the color and the keycap which assembled or bare bone. Opening up the box, here's what we have. We have a DunkDeer quick guide and it's written please do not place the keyboard in a high temp or stock magnetic environment. On the back side you can see it's written easy operating and each and every step is mentioned pretty well, and this is really nice that they have done that. So guys, this is how the keyboard looks. You can see it looks quite stylish. It's really nice and you can see it has a retro look. So these are some other things that you get with the keyboard, which has the extra keys, the key puller and the USB Type-C cable. Now taking a look at the keyboard itself, you can see how cool it looks. It's really nice and it has a nice dial, and this has a retro look too, and it looks very cool. It has a full-fledged keyboard and it's fully assembled. And here you have a knob as well, so this knob can be used to control certain things and you can just use it. It's quite tactile. All the keys are also quite tactile. You can listen to the noise here. These keys give a really good tactile feedback, and where to the rear side we have the kickstands to both of the sides where you can just use this keyboard to make it rest on your table. And here it gets a clear instruction on the model name, the layout and the rating. Because I've connected this to my laptop now, and you can see it's a wired connection, and you can see how cool it looks. It has a really nice RGB lighting here, and this knob basically controls your volume. So you can see as I'm turning it, this is basically reducing and increasing the volume, so which is quite cool. So I just need to press function 2 and this button, so this will basically change the other modes. So you can see different modes are coming up here. So you just press this few times and this will decrease the brightness, and when you keep on pressing this will increase the brightness. So this is how this works. So you can see how cool it looks, and this really gives a great look to your table. Guys, that was a really quick video of the DunkDeer keyboard. Now we have used this for more than 2 weeks and we're very happy with the performance. So that was a quick overview video. If you're interested in purchasing the same, a link to same in the description from where you can go and buy it. So thank you so much for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll catch you guys soon in our next video.